Today we're going to be talking about unique triangles. So a unique triangle is a triangle that can only be drawn one way. So no matter what, if I give Susie the directions and Mason the directions and they draw it, it should be exactly the same. If a triangle is not unique, it will form either more than one triangle or no triangle. So we're deciding between those three. Is it unique? Does it form more than one, or is there no triangle? These are the four unique triangle theorems that if you have this information given to you, then they form a unique triangle. What is important to note for the side is that the small plus medium side needs to be greater than the largest side. So even if you are given side, if that is not true, then it does not form a triangle. So this just means you're given all three sides. Here we have angle, side, angle, ASA. So you have an angle, the side, and then the angle. The side is in between those two angles. So the order matters. Okay, here we have SAS, side, angle, side. So you have a side, then an angle, then a side. Again, I always remember that order matters because if I rearrange these letters into a different way, it would be a word I probably shouldn't be writing on my math paper. And then here, angle, angle, side, AAS. So an angle, then another angle, and then a side. So if any of these things hold true, it forms a unique triangle. Angle, 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 so given three angle measures, does not form a unique triangle, but similar triangles. So that would mean more than one. But again, something to note is that the angles sum must equal 180 degrees. So even if you're given three angle measures, it doesn't mean more than one. You got to double check that those angles add up to 180. So now what we're going to do is, given these different triangles, we're going to determine, is it a unique triangle, is it more than one triangle, or no triangle. So here we are given a side, an angle, we're given an angle, a side, and then an angle. That is a unique triangle theorem. So yes, it is unique. And our reasoning, I'm just going to put that theorem, ASA. All right, number 2, we are given a side and an angle. That, when we're given two measures, is not a unique triangle theorem for us. So that's going to be more than one. And we'll just say angle side is not a theorem, or not enough information. Number 3, I'm going to start backwards. You'll see why. We've got a side, and then an angle. So even though side, angle, side, using those same letters, is a unique triangle, in this order, side, angle, that is not a theorem. So this would be more than one. And then why or why not? I'm going to put it in the appropriate way. SSA is not a theorem. Over here, we've got side and then an angle and then a side. That is one of our theorems. So unique, and then I'm just listing side, angle, side. Okay, a couple more examples where we're given kind of generic or some information. We're going to just sketch out a triangle for us. So it doesn't actually matter what it looks like. I'm just writing that we have triangle DEF. We are given an angle for D, We are given an angle for E. We are given an angle for F. So we have AAA, which would be more than one triangle because they form similar triangles. But what I need to double check is, do these measures add up to 180? So 72 plus 96 plus 12. If I add that up, 72 plus 96 plus 12, I get 180. So more than one. And then what is the reasoning? Angle, angle, angle. Number 6, given a triangle with side lengths 10, 12, and 15. So we've got 10, 12, and 15. That would be side, 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 which is a unique triangle theorem, but we always need to double check, are the two smaller sides, when we add them, going to be greater than the biggest side? So 10 plus 12, is that greater than 15? Yeah, 22 is greater than 15. So it is a unique triangle, and we say side, side, side. All right, number 7, we're given triangle ABC. We are given an angle for A. We are given that AB is 4, and that's it. So we're given an angle and a side, which is not a unique triangle theorem. So more than one, and angle side is not a theorem. Next triangle, we got triangle CUB. So where CB is 10, UB is 7, and C is an angle 115 degrees. All right, I'm going to write this out backwards. We're given a side, we're given a side, and we're given an angle. So remember, even though SAS is a theorem, side, side, angle is not. So more than one, and SSA is not a theorem. All right, we've got triangle HAT. So we're given AT is 7. We're given angle A is 35 degrees. And we're given TH is 6. So AT is 7, A is 35, TH is 6. So again, we have side, side, angle, which is not a theorem. So more than one, SSA is not a theorem. Last one, we're given triangle BAT. BA is 7, AT is 4, and BT is 11. So this would be side, side, side. We're given 3 side measures. But remember, I always need to double check. Are my 2 smaller sides going to add to a sum that's greater than the third side? So is 4 plus 7 greater than 11? Is 11 greater than 11? No. That is not a true statement, so no triangle is formed. Because, and your reasoning can be 4 plus 7 is not greater than 11.